recording live. It's kicking up. A kick. See Sommerset Crossroads up there. River full up. Very, very full. That rock is normally my gauge and it's almost underneath. Normally these two sides are split. On the other side over there is the real river coast. But when it's no storm, it's on this side. And it's very little on that side. But now, yeah, I see the wind starting to blow a little bit. Little bit. Fire. Sit down. Sit down. Sit down. Sit, sit down. Sit down. Oh, you're so bad. You're a good boo. You're a good boy. Yes, you do. Give me paw. Give me paw. Give me paw. Anyway, the river is raging. Let's go around and see. My kitchen. No. This is the current state of the river up in Trinityville. Rain is starting to fall and rain is definitely up in the mountaintop.